Hello friends, my name is Hanuman and today I am going to say you 5 tips which are very important for getting reply from the company. Many times students apply for a lot of jobs and they not get any reply from the companies. Why? There are some tips which is very important when applying for these jobs, and if you mention all these things, 5 key things in your resume and send it to the company, then it will be make it very easier or make higher chances to get reply from the company. So the first key thing is always make your resume one page. Okay, because this is very important. We make resume like they are CVs are and resumes are different. If you're making resume, that should have one page or mostly 2 pages. Student not need to make resume for 2 pages also. Okay, you have very less experience. If you, let's say you have 3 years experience or 2 years experience, then you can make 2-page resume. But as a student, you need to make sure that you need to make 1-page resume. That is very important because interviewer not have that much time to look at your resume and then look at another page. Okay, so make sure you will make 1-page resume. Then the second is add relevant keyword, right? There are different type of job description. Let's say you are applying for a Java job post, which is from Infosys, right? So Infosys give the description of that Java post. So you have to make sure that you are going to add all the description keywords in your resume. What the mean of keyword? Like go to the Infosys site where you see that job post and see what job post, what they mention in that job post. Like if it's opening for the Java and they mention all about the Java, then you have to make your resume in only Java. Like you have to mention all the things that you know in the Java. Then if they in job description they write like they want someone who is very best at team handling, then you have to mention that skill in your resume. That is very important. Always add job description keyword only in your resume. It will make little easier to get you that job or get to the interview. Okay, the third thing is like add your LinkedIn profile, add your email address, your phone number, and then the most important GitHub profile or all the project you have live right now. Add all of them, because if you not add LinkedIn profile, your hiring chances are very less, or you are going to interview chances are very less, because companies see these things which are very important, right? So always add LinkedIn profile, like LinkedIn link. Then you have to add like portfolio or GitHub link. That is also very important. The fourth point is make different resume for different job posts. Lot of students, what they do, like they have one resume and for every post they send one resume. That's not good thing. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to make different resume for different job posts. That's what you need to do. So always remember this one thing. If the opening is for Java, you have to make the resume for Java and send to that company. If another company like Capgemini is hiring for the data science, or Capgemini is hiring for the full stack development, then for data science and full stack development you need to have sent a different type of resume, because job description is always different and the company is always different, their criteria are different. So every time you need to have make resume different for different job role for different companies. And the last one is always add cover letter when you applying online. Remember students, when anyone applying for the job, what you do, like you directly add your resume in your email box and then you send it to the companies. No one see your resume if you do that. You have to add something in your email, like you have to write one script. We call it cover letter sometimes. So you need to write that cover letter script in your email and then add your resume and then send it, because it is very important. So these key things are very important. The first one is making 1-page resume. The second one is adding description keywords in your resume. Third one is always add different type of links like LinkedIn, portfolio in your resume. And the last one is always add cover letter when you sending resume online. So these key things are very important. Always remember that and I hope this will help you a lot, and you will get reply from the companies. If we see the stat, the one student who are actually looking for job apply 37 job in a month, so and he get 5 to 6 company reply from that 37 job. So you have to always remember that you need to hustle more, and you need to apply for more and more and more companies. That's what I want to say. Okay, so keep these changes in your resume and then send it. Okay, we'll meet in next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.